Jazz Cartier biography. Born in Toronto, Ontario, Cartier, whose stepfather worked as a diplomat, moved frequently in childhood with his family, living at various times in the United States, Barbados and Kuwait. He credits the different types of music he was exposed to in these locations as all having had an influence on his own style as a hip-hop musician. He was accepted to an art program at Columbia College Chicago in 2012, but, reluctant to move to a new city without anyone he knew, he returned to Toronto. Musical career. Cartier had worked on an early version of Marauding in Paradise as early as 2011, but was not satisfied with the album. After moving back to Toronto, he began working with record producer Michael Lance, and released his first single Set Fire in 2014. Performing in Toronto area music venues, he quickly attracted attention. His tracks, which was regularly played at Toronto Raptors games by Team DJ Four Corners, and at a Toronto Red Bull Sound Select show in March 2015, he was introduced by celebrity rapper Cardinal Offishall. When it comes to talent in the city of Toronto, it takes a lot to separate yourself from the other artists trying to make it big. For some it takes time, for others, it's just natural. Jazz Cartier is a native of Toronto, but has been influenced by his travels all over the world. From growing up in Toronto, to being introduced to music in Barbados, and starting his career as an artist in Atlanta, it took a lot to get Cartier where he is now. Amongst it all, he kept to his roots, and always made it back to the city that inspires him the most. Artists like Black Sheep, John B. Lauryn Hill, Kanye West, to name a few, have been essential throughout the growth of Cartier as an artist. Not going out of his comfort zone, Cartier speaks about the life he knows, and once knew. Whether it's his obsession with Ralph Lauren, the boarding school lifestyle, the plethora of females he's encountered, teenage love, or just being a teenager in general, Cartier knows how to manipulate his words, and gives off a clear visual of what he's going through. Going back and forth from Connecticut and Toronto makes it hard for the 21-year-old to record and put the effort needed into his records, but so far he's making it work. Granted, Cartier is still young, but talent is talent, and he has lots of it. The tennis playing, private school attending, luxurious teenager has a lot of time ahead of him, and what he has to say is worth listening to. As a rising star in Toronto, Cartier is sure to make his city proud of what his future has in store.